Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, let's continue from question number 111. Question number 111. What concentration of procaine hydrochloride will yield a solution isoosmotic with blood plasma? So the value given is freezing of 1% procaine hydrochloride solution is minus 0.122 degrees Celsius. The options are option A 6.25% weight per volume, option B 5.25% weight per volume, option C 4.26% weight by volume, option D 3.38% weight by volume. The solution, the formula is percentage weight per volume of adjusting substance needed equal to 0.52 minus A divided by B into 100. So when we apply these values, so the value A is not given, B is given. So 0.52 minus 0 divided by 0.122 into 100. That gives the correct option is option C, 4.26% weight per volume. Then question number 112. Human immunoglobulin is the other name of option A beta globulin, option B gamma globulin, option C prothrombin, option D fibrinogen. The correct option is option B GABA globulin. Then question number 113. Even though the dried human plasma can be stored for many years under ideal storage conditions, what is customary expiry date? So option A 4 years from the date of production, option B 5 years from the date of production, option C 6 years from the date of production, option D 3 years from the date of production. The correct option is option B 5 years from the date of production. Then question number 114. Choose the best condition in which concentrated human RBCs can be administered. Option A hemorrhage, option B chronic anemia, option C diabetes mellitus, option D cancer. The correct option is option B chronic anemia. Then question number 115. For donation of blood, the donated blood is collected from option A ear vein, option B median cubital vein, option C hepatic portal vein, and option D any artery. The correct option is option B median cubital vein. Then question number 116. The blood donation is not acceptable from which of the following categories of people? Option A persons with hypertension, option B healthy individuals, option C non-pregnant women, and option D anemic person. The correct option is option D anemic persons. Then question number 117. Name the process by which the amount of active drug in the blood is reduced after absorption into systemic circulation. Option A first pass metabolism, option B distribution, option C metabolism, option D elimination. So when the drugs are eliminated, only the absorption is reduced. So the correct option is option D elimination. Question number 118. Chick test is used to identify option A diphtheria, option B pertussis, option C typhoid, option D jaundice. The correct option is option A diphtheria. Then question number 119. Bacterial exotoxins are option A protein in nature, option B carbohydrate in nature, option C lipids in nature, option D lipopolysaccharides in nature. The correct option is option A protein in nature. Then question number 120. In the evaluation of disinfectants by Riddle-Walker test, the specified strain used is option A Streptomyces gracius, option B Salmonella typhi, option C Streptomyces aureus, and option D Streptomyces venezuelae. The correct option is option B Salmonella typhi. So thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like and enter your thoughts in our comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.